welcome back again. How you all doing today? Hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us how to make this kaftan top. I have 2.5 yards of net fabric here. We'll go ahead and fold our fabric. I'm going to be folding my fabric into 4. I folded mine this way into 2 and fold it again into 4. I just wanted to have access to the front side. That is why I folded it this way. If you like, you can still fold it into 2 like so and fold it. Yeah, you will still have access to the front one. My fabric is folded into 4. The length of my top is 43 inches plus sewing allowance. So go ahead and take the measurement. I don't have much measurement to take anyway. So for here, is either you measure from your back midpoint to where you want it to be, or you place your shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement I'm working with is 8 inches. And add your sleeve measurement to it. So I'll be adding about 13 inches for the sleeve. The shoulder is 8 inches plus 13 inches. All together is 21 inches. I will add extra 1.5 inches for folding. I will mark 2 inches for the neck width. I will mark 1.5 inches for the back depth. And 3 inches for the front depth. I'll connect the neckline. This is the back neckline. And this is the front neckline. I'll go to this 21 inches and mark 1.5 inches for shoulder slope. I will connect this 1.5 inches to the neckline. So I'm going to be placing the arm opening. The arm opening is very wide. My waist measurement is 17.5 inches. I'll mark 20 inches for the arm opening. I will make a straight line here. I will come inside by 1.5 inches right on this 20 inches. I will be using this 1.5 inches for folding. So I went inside by 1.5 inches. I'll just bring it down to the lower part. And I will go to the front side. I will come to this side and then mark 9 inches, 8 or 9 inches right from the shoulder here. I will mark 9 inches here. From this 9 inches, I will come inside by 1 inch. This is to enable the collar to relax very well. So I'll mark it up to 18 inches. That's the waistline. I'll mark this 1 inch up to 18 inches. I will connect it right from the shoulder here to this 9 inches I marked out. And from here, I will bring it down like so, up to 18 inches. On the waistline, I will gradually bring it down to 1/2 inch. I don't want to mark 1 inch or 2. So this is the front area. So let's go ahead and then cut it out. This is 1.5 inches. That's the back neckline. I'm cutting out the shoulder slope. This is the armhole, the sleeve opening. I will use this for the collar. I will go ahead and cut out the front one. I'll just lift this up. That's the main reason I folded it this way. I'll lift this front side up. I'm cutting out the 1/2 inch. So this is the waistline. Take it to 1 inch. Cutting out the front neck. I just lift it up. It's just the front side. I cut out just the front side. The back still remains the same. That's just it for the cutting. I'll go ahead and then put the fabric together. This is the back. I will lay the front and the back against each other. Right side facing right side. I'll take one of the fronts, place it there. Take the other one and then place it like so. I'll go ahead and stitch it. I'll use half inch to join the shoulders. Before I join the side, I will do my folding. I'll use 1.5 inches to hem my sleeve opening. After joining the shoulders, I will hem the sleeve. That's the sleeve opening. And after hemming it, I will use 1 inch to stitch the side. So guys, I'm done joining the shoulders. This is the arm opening. I hem the arm opening. I've also stitched the side. I didn't stitch the side completely, so I left about 6 inches before joining it. I left about 6 inches open. I'll use 1 inch to hem it. I'm supposed to attach the collar before hemming the button, so I have to loosen up this place. After attaching the collar, we hem it back. Make sure you notch this place so this place can be last. This top is a one size top. It can be worn by a size small, size medium, size large, up to S large. I think so. But what we are going to do next is to attach the collar. So I'll just measure right from the midpoint here. So I'll look for the midpoint. This is the midpoint. I'll just measure this round. So I'll measure this. I'll just measure one side. I have roughly 49 inches on this side and 49 inches on the other side. That is 98 inches altogether. So I've cut out the collar. The collar is 5 inches. When you open it, it's 5 inches. Unfold is 2.5 inches. You cannot cut out 98 inches collar without joining it. So I join it here. I cut out the same size. This is the midpoint, the back midpoint. In this place I join together, I will match it with the back midpoint. I'll take it to the side. And pinning them together so that it will be easy for me to attach. So I have some excess here. As soon as I finish stitching it, I'll cut the excess out. So I will take this side also and match them up. I will take it to my machine and use half inch to join them together. This is the midpoint. I normally start from here. I will stitch it right from this midpoint to the button on this side and take it from the midpoint, stitch it to the other side. So I'm done attaching the collar to the top. I hem the lower part. So we are almost there. The last thing we are going to do is to make that pleat by the side. To make pleats or gather by the side. So I've already done this side. I will teach you guys how to make it. So this is the slit I left. Supposed to be 6.5 inches. I use 1.5 inches to hem the bottom part. So I will open up this place. I will start my pleat 1 inch after the pleat. This is my needle. I'm using a matching thread. I double the thread so that the pleat or gather will not lose. So I will be taking it like so, 1 inch. I'll make about 4 pleats, 1 inch. Take another 3 pleats. Make the 4 pleats. So I have 4 pleats here. See how many pleats I have. You have 4 pleats here, so I'll still make 4 pleats on this side. Open. I will take it. And take it again. I will go over it again. Now cut it. So that's just it. So this is the side. Look as if it's the drawstring, but it's not drawstring. It's a pleat. That's the plate on the side and the side. That's it for today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.